everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I have some more Christmas DIYs. These were so easy and so inexpensive to make. I did use mostly Dollar Tree items. This is also part 2. I will have part 1 down in the description box in case you want to check that out. I absolutely love how all of these turned out. They look so beautiful and so high-end. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
From Dollar Tree, I will be using one of their large signs. I will be removing the staples and the tag because I'm using the back. Then I'm going to paint it using some white chalk paint. Then distress it a little bit using the Waverly Antique Wax to make this look more rustic and old. The next thing I will be using is the Dollar Tree Christmas tree wood cutouts. I'm going to trace 2 of them to this Hobby Lobby buffalo check paper. As you guys can see, the burlap banner on top. When I first started doing this, I was planning to make the banner using these Christmas tree. That's why you see more than 2 of them cut out, but the burlap, I don't know, it just kept de-threading, and when I was gonna put the string through the little holes that this banner had, it like fell apart. So I went with plan B and decided to make this beautiful long sign. I will be using my Elmer's glue stick to glue the paper, but you can totally use Mod Podge. I will be putting the word joy, and for the letters I used some poster stickers letters that I got from Walmart. Well, these actually don't have adhesive, so I did have to use my Elmer's glue stick. And for the O, I used one of the Dollar Tree snowflakes, and I did paint this using my Waverly chalk paint in mineral. When I was gluing the snowflake, I accidentally glued it way too much to the left. So I removed it and I left this little spot, but I just went back and fixed it using some white paint. To finish this off, I will be making a bow using this very pretty ribbon that I got from Walmart. It does say Merry Christmas, and I absolutely love this because it does match the rest of my decor. By the way, I have a part 1. I will leave it down in the description box. You can definitely go check that out. And that is it for this sign. I absolutely love how this turned out. The last thing I did add was some hooks to the back, so like that I can hang it. You can use some shoestring and add it to the back instead, but I have a whole bunch of these that I picked up from Lowe's. Next, I'm going to use these Dollar Tree wood planks, 6 come in a pack, but for this DIY I am using only 2. I'm using 2 of the Jenga blocks and 2 of the wood squares. I'm going to paint all of them using some chalk paint. To match my first DIY, I'm also distressing these using the Waverly Antique Wax. Once they're nice and dry, I'm going to glue the wood square to the Jenga block, then the Jenga block to the wood plank. I'm going to make a little hook for my lanterns, and I'm only using hot glue because the lanterns are not heavy, so you can't use some wood glue if you're using something heavy. The next Dollar Tree items I will be using are the lanterns. These are from Halloween, but Dollar Tree right now is carrying some Christmas themed ones. I will be removing the plastic and the tag. The next thing I will be doing is making a small messy bow using these 2 ribbons. Since I only have a little bit of the buffalo plaid, I am making them small. But if I would have had more, I would have made them bigger. And all I'm doing is just cutting some strips of both ribbons. Then I'm putting them in an X, then tying it in the middle. I use a plastic tie, so I'm going to just stick the rest of the plastic inside these little holes that these lanterns have. And the next thing I will be using to decorate this is these little mini ornaments that I picked up from Walmart. They are so cute. The last things I will be using are 2 snowflakes, and these are from the little wood DIY packs that Dollar Tree carries. I did paint these using my Waverly chalk paint in mineral. And then I added them to the front of the hook, and this makes them look so much prettier. To hang these from my wall, I will be adding some soft tooth hooks to the back. And that is it for these beautiful set of scones. I absolutely love how these turned out. For my next DIY, I will be using the rest of the wood planks that I used in my second DIY. There was 4 left over, so I'm using those. I am also using some Dollar Tree wood blocks. I'm going to make a centerpiece, so I'm going to start off with the bottom piece. I am going to glue 6 of the blocks to the bottom piece. This is going to give it support, so when I glue the sides, there's going to be somewhere to be glued, or a place or a space for them to glue. I am using hot glue, but you can totally use wood glue. I'm not, because I would have to wait for that to dry. And Now I'm going to start gluing the sides. And I'm adding some glue in the inside for extra support. I'm going to make the sides using the 4th plank, so I do have to mark where I need it to be cut because I do have to cut it twice so I can get the perfect 2 sides. And I'm using my hand saw to cut this.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say, and I claim.
Now that I have my sides, I'm going to glue them to my little centerpiece, or it's like a little crate or a little box. I actually did one using a recycled cardboard box, so if you want to check that out, I will have the link down in the description box.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside.
I decided to add some more blocks just in case.
Without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing?
Now you can paint this whatever color you like, but I am painting mine using the Waverly chalk paint in mineral. I do want this to match the rest of my decor.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I made another bow using the same Merry Christmas ribbon, and I'm going to add it to the top centerpiece.
He wouldn't miss this in Christmas.
And you can leave it like that already, but I had these transfer stickers from Dollar Tree, and I seen that it had the word joy, so I'm going to add it to the left corner. And I still think you can use this centerpiece all year round by just removing the bow, and you don't have to remove the word joy because it's so little, so all you have to do is just turn it around and use the other side.
All the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and
To decorate my centerpiece, I will be using some garland. This is to make it look fuller, and some Walmart picks. I'm using 2 of them, and some other random stuff that I had, but you can totally fill this up with 3 of the picks.
we're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.
And that is it for this beautiful centerpiece. I absolutely love how this turned out. You can use this all year round. And I do have a part 1. I'm going to leave it down in the description box in case you want to check it out.
My friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
And these are all the DIYs I made for this collection. I absolutely love how these turned out. Everything just goes together and it looks so beautiful. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.